Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of JPFD. I'm AG.
I'm AK.
And here we're getting back into another Hiragana lesson. You know the drill. We're going to go through some words in English. I'm going to see if I know the Japanese. If I don't, AK will tell me. And then at the end, we'll do the review where I try to remember as much as possible. Okay? So this week is the na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Yes.
Words. So we'll be focusing on them for the Hiragana lesson today. So without further ado, let's go.
So I'm going to say the English word first and then you're going to answer Japanese.
That's right. Yep.
So the first word is long.
Okay, long. Okay, I know this one because people comment about my legs all the time. So I've got long legs, so it's like nagai.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
So you got a long leg? No.
Boku no.
Long leg.
Boku no. Ashi wa nagai.
Is that true?
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to buy like long trousers. So.
Yeah, you can't buy it. You can buy the trousers in Japan, right?
No, I can't buy trousers in Japan. I have to get them imported.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, second word is busy or like a lot of people around.
Okay,
bustling.
So like bustling, not crowded, but maybe like busy or lively. Okay.
Starting from ni.
Ni. I don't think I know this one at all, actually. It's interesting. I don't think I've come across this. So it's not busy as in like isogashi, which we did a few years ago, but...
It's more like, okay, if I describe like from onomatopoeia, the sound, I would say gaya gaya, gaya gaya.
So like... Ni, starting with ni?
Yes.
Got nothing.
Okay, so it says ni gi yaka.
Ni gi yaka. Ni gi yaka.
Yeah.
Ni gi yaka ya.
No, ni gi yaka.
Ni gi yaka.
Yes.
Ni gi yaka.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, like, it's written word, I guess.
That's probably why I don't know it that well.
You know, oh, this place is really nigiyaka. We don't really say that much, you know?
So how would you say it?
If it's like noisy?
Or like just busy, a lot of people around. Like Shinjuku Station in the morning.
Well, like, maybe like describe other situation. Or like we just say like, urusai toka.
Oh, right.
I guess. I think nigiyaka is more like, what we call it for, Disneyland.
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
But still we say like, oh, there are a lot of people around. You know?
Okay. So it's not really... So it's more of a written word than a spoken word, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. That's probably why I didn't know.
Next word is warm.
Starting from nu?
Nu. Nani nu.
Nu. I don't know this one.
Like, what is it? Normal temperature? How would you say that?
Like room temperature?
Oh, room temperature.
Or body temperature.
Body temperature kind of thing. Or like, it's not really hot. It's not hot.
Okay.
It's hot, but it's kind of acceptable.
So not like hot, it's like atsui, which I think, again, we've done. And the only other word I know for warm is like atakai?
Oh, actually, atakai is hot.
Okay. Oh, okay. And then I don't know this word.
Okay. Maybe like when do you know the kotatsu?
Kotatsu, yeah. Like a heated blanket, like a warm blanket, yeah.
So like when you are in kotatsu, you will probably say nuku nuku.
Nuku nuku.
Or hoka hoka, or kind of thing.
Okay.
And then so warm is nukui.
Nukui.
Or nurui.
Nurui. Okay, so there's two, and they both start with nu.
And then the same kanji as well. Nukui is more like for the situation. Like you put kind of blanket on, heated blanket on, and then like you feel warm.
So nukui.
And then nurui, whereas nurui is like, for example, like if you have a water.
Something is warm?
Warm.
Oh, I see.
So that's nurui.
Okay.
So, I thought like it was supposed to be hot. It's not hot, it's nurui.
Nurui. Got it. Okay. So, if it's myself, it's nukui. And if it's something, it's nurui.
Yes.
Interesting. So, there you get 2 for 1 there on the nu. Okay, next is...
Next is enthusiasm.
Enthusiasm.
Oh, it's difficult to say in English, isn't it?
It is. Enthusiasm. Interesting. I don't think I know this one.
Like, some people say like furious.
Furious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Starting from ne.
Ne.
So you're devoting something.
Like zealous, right? Okay, interesting. I don't think I know this one. I think this is the worst one yet. No, I don't think I know this one either.
Worst week ever?
Yeah, I think it's the worst week, yeah.
Okay, so we call it nesshin.
Nesshin? Nesshin.
Maybe your shi is a little bit sh, so put it s.
Nesshin.
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 Shi. Nesshin.
Nesshin. Nesshin. Okay. And it just means like enthusiastic. Can you use it in a sentence?
So your brother is enthusiastic. So あなたの弟はとても熱心です。
Okay, very, very enthusiastic. Okay, interesting.
Maybe like devoting would be the like good word to describe the word.
It's like, I suppose enthusiastic can mean two things, kind of like that. It can be like, so enthusiastic can be like excited about something. But I suppose in another context of that, it could also be like zealous or like very devoted to something or fanatical about something. And I guess that's maybe it shares the same meaning in Japanese. Like one word shares the same meaning. Those
think
two
so.
meanings. Okay.
I mean, like, I'm not really sure like how we express the exciting feelings.
Is it a little bit negative? This word.
Nesshin is more like a positive meaning.
Positive meaning. Okay.
Yes.
Because when you say someone's fanatical, that's slightly negative. Like they like that thing too much.
Okay.
Or if they say they're zealous, it means like they like that thing too much.
But like in Japan, like if people are doing like too much, they love it. So it's not really a negative thing, I guess.
Oh no, not for the person, but for other people. Like, oh, he's very zealous. He's very fanatical.
I see.
Like it can be negative. It's not always, but it can be like negative. It's more. I think it's used more negatively than positively. Yeah. So let's go on to the last word. I think.
Okay. So that's really difficult, I guess. So the last word is peaceful.
I know peace is hewa.
Yes, that's true.
But that's nothing to do with not.
Yes.
Hewa.
It's also written word, I guess.
So the written word?
Like, or like maybe if you watch drama, Japanese drama, people kind of like say written word as much as like.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so I don't know this one at all. I think the ends were hard. So what is it?
So peaceful in Japanese is nodoka.
Nodoka.
So we call it like peaceful town, nodoka no machi.
Okay, nodoka.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. Nodoka no machi.
Nodoka na.
Nodoka na machi. I see. It's review time.
Yes, sure.
And I've got a feeling I'm going to do really badly. So,
all right.
Let's go on with the review.
Okay, so busy.
Told you. Okay, what is it? Busy is...
Starting from... Can I give you a clue?
Yeah, give me a clue.
Okay, starting from ni.
Niga...
4 letters.
Nige...
Okay, nigiyaka.
Nigeyaka.
Nigi,
damn.
Nigiyaka.
Nigiyaka.
Yes.
Okay, nigiyaka. That one was very difficult. Okay.
So, enthusiasm.
Enthusiasm starts with nu?
No, ne.
Ne? Oh, God, we just did this. No.
No?
No.
Like devoting.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, nesshin.
Nesshin. Okay. Nesshin. Nesshin. Okay.
Okay. So next one is peaceful.
Peaceful. Nodoka.
Oh, good one. Okay.
Go on the board.
Yeah. What about warm?
Nukui.
Yes.
And nurui.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. The last word is long.
Nagai.
Yes.
Okay. So I got about half.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. That was very hard. That was hard. That was the hardest week so far, I think.
Yeah.
That brings us to the end of another episode. Thank you again very much for watching JPFD. If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, thumbs down. It really helps us find out what you guys like and what you guys don't. So if you've got something to share, or there's some words that you've learned that you would like to share that are in the na, ni, nu, ne, no category, please share it in the comments down below. And what am I forgetting? Subscribe if you like these videos. It really helps out the channel and it helps you get our content first. So, yep, please hit the subscribe button, which should be here. So thank you very much for watching another episode of JPFD, and until next time, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.